guys, I'm back again, and today we're going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box. And don't even start about my hair. Like, I know. I had a wedding to go to this weekend of my cousin. It was very fun, beautiful wedding. But I thought, being freaking 8 months pregnant already, idiot that I am, I thought it would be just perfectly peachy fine to just do my hair, to just the roots, just a little bit. And of course, I can't stand a long time, so didn't really have time to develop. So now I have orange roots. So just let's not even talk about it, okay? When I'm done being pregnant, I'm gonna go to the salon and they're gonna fix my hair, but it's just gonna take about 3 months or so. So we're just not gonna talk about it. Anyway, we're gonna talk about the Lookfantastic beauty box. And on the cap, it says glowing skin is always in. This is the July box, by the way. We have a little card that says, "To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the..." Oh God, I already know what this is. They still don't have a freaking leaflet. I cannot. I want a booklet, not a digital form. I want an actual booklet to look up these damn products. So this is the inside of this month's box, but unfortunately, I do not have a booklet. So guys, I do not know the price of the items. I mentioned this a million times in one already. When we don't get a booklet, look it up online if you're that interested. I'm a lazy YouTuber. I do not have my phone here, and I don't actually feel like looking it up online, honestly. So if you want to know the prices, look it up. Okay, so let's start off with a pot. This is from Monu Spa Rose and Lemon Enriched Body Cream. Marine collagen and vitamins A, E, and B5 for all skin types. Okay, so this is what that little sucker looks like. And is it sealed? I think it's going to be oh, it's not sealed actually. Oh, that smells good. It's not the best. It's not my favorite smell, but then again, I'm pregnant, hormones, God knows. So right now, during my pregnancy, this is not my favorite smell. And usually these like body creams are a bit thicker than the regular lotions. So I'm gonna leave this one for fall and winter time when it's colder out and my body just needs a little bit more extra love and care. Moving on to, from Sleek Makeup, Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Oh, in the color Bittersweet. It's matte. So y'all know me, I do not do those liquid lipsticks because they dry my lips out and I cannot handle it. As you can see, it's also sealed. I'm not going to get it out of the seal. Y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway because I cannot handle dryness on my lips. I'm sorry, but I just can't. Let's move on to something else in a pot, which is my vitamins, hair, skin, and nails. 30 little capsules. This is what that looks like, and trust me, I cannot wait to hop on that bandwagon once I'm not pregnant anymore. Right now, during my pregnancy, I'm actually taking mommy vitamins. That are definitely specially designed for pregnant women. So I don't use these because I don't know what is in here. I'm pregnant. I don't want to risk, you know, my baby. So this is going to have to wait once I'm done being pregnant. Moving on to something really long, which is Blush Brush. This eco-friendly vegan blush brush is ideal for applying a beautiful dash of color and definition to the cheeks. From So Eco, the face of responsible beauty. I have never heard of them before. This is what that little container looks like. And now let's open up because I'm very excited to see what the brush looks like. Oh, I see. Okay, so, ooh, it actually says So Eco. So this is what it looks like. A beautiful blush brush. And indeed, wow, that's soft. Indeed, very, very nice as a blusher. Definitely great. And it has a great grip here where you can like grab it and then do your blush with, hopefully you guys are able to see that. See, you can actually grab it really, really fine. Like your fingers go right. It's just awesome. Okay. I really enjoy this, so thank you very much. Moving on to two last items, and then the box is empty. This is the empty thing that the brush came in. One small thing is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow-release vitamin C help plump and brighten morning skin from This Works. So we got a little teeny tiny cream to try out. Of course, I'm gonna try, excuse me, it's a serum, right? It's a serum, so I cannot wait to try this sucker out. And then the last item of the box is, I'm actually opening it without even looking at it, from Madara Organic Skincare Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream. Oh, thank goodness, for all skin types. This is awesome. Okay, this is what the box looks like. And the reason why I'm actually so freaking happy and excited it's in here is we need more night creams in these like beauty boxes. We always receive moisturizers, serums, eye creams, but we hardly ever receive night creams, and I am actually running out of my night creams. So I am so freaking happy this is in here. Wow, it literally feels organic. I know it sounds so stupid, but the little tube is not, how can I say this? Hopefully you guys are able to see the difference. Like this one is really smooth. It feels really plasticky, when this one feels more like cardboard. I know it doesn't make any sense what I'm saying, I'm sorry, but it just feels that way. Okay, so regenerating night cream. This rejuvenating night cream helps to prevent signs of environmental aging. The easily absorbed formulation treats your skin for a well-rested and radiant complexion. Apply every night to a clean face and neck. So I'm so freaking glad this is in here. I cannot wait to try it out. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I actually enjoyed. The only thing I'm not going to use is clearly because it's matte. If it were a regular gloss, I would use it. I love like the square packaging. It's amazing, but you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway somewhere along the way, and the rest I'm all gonna use. So I would say pretty decent and good box this month. It's not the best wow box ever, but it's definitely a decent box. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!